Look at this little puppy trying to eat this hot dog, and his friend comes in to say, "This is my hot dog. You get out of my sight." There's some friendly rivals. It's amazing. This mother bird has a lot of children, and she is trying to give her best to all of them. It is a hard job. Respect to this mother bird and to all the mothers that tried their best. Look at this pig with her fellow kids, and look closely at how all of them stick together. They are like a team. And guys, with a great leader and a good team, you cannot go wrong. So try to find a good leader who can try to guide your team. Once you find a good leader, your team will be unstoppable. This poor cat somehow fell into this dirty water, but the kind humans tried their best to rescue this cat. They tried to bring the basket nearer to the cat. The cat knew the humans were trying to save her, but she couldn't hold on to the basket. She was ready to take the steps, but she failed. Then she retreated. She waited for a while, thinking she should go back and try again. Now she had made her mind and decided to just go for it. And she finally did it. She made her choice and now she is being rescued. She got rescued by these kind people here. Thanks to these people, this kitten was safe, this cat was safe. We should help each other. Meanwhile, look at this bird just playing with this cat. And another one. Not this time. Not this time either. What about this time? This time, the cat is just bored. Now this time, the cat had enough. And sometime later, this bird really like cats, huh? This bird is even trying to play real with the cat here, while this one is boxing with the cat. Meanwhile, pseudo fighting is going on here. This time, the bird is just being a horror fan and trying to scare this cat here. Thank goodness this cat saved his friends. Now the crab is like, oh no, I'm outnumbered. I'm doomed. Retreat, retreat, fall back. Meanwhile, this cat is just enjoying his life with this, what do you call this, massager? This little mini massager. He's just turning it to his position. He knows what to do. He's an expert. Look at it. This is me when I get shocked or surprised. What did we learn today? Well, if you want to succeed in whatever you want to, find a good leader or a good mentor who can guide you properly. And one more thing, keep helping others. Because the time will come when they realize your value, your kindness that you have given to them. They will really appreciate you. If not directly, indirectly they sure will. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye.